Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Yadrissa, and today we're going to be doing another fun Halloween makeup look, and we're going to be doing this Pennywise makeup look today. So if you want to see how I got this exact makeup look, stay tuned. I know I sound crazy, but I'm really not. I'm just getting into it. So here is a picture from the movie It. This is the character that I will be recreating in this video today, Pennywise, and this is a old throwback movie that is a scary clown basically, and I'm going to be doing this look today, this Halloween makeup look. So what I did start off doing is I began doing my eyebrows off camera, and I was just continuing to finish my eyebrows on camera by outlining the top of my eyebrows with my concealer. So that's what I'm using right now. I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer to outline the top of my brows, and I'm going to be blending that in. As you see, I do have some spots on my head from, like, you know, pimple marks or whatever. It could be a scar that I have left behind, and I just went over it with that concealer as well. I do have some other dark spots on my face from old scratches or maybe pimples that I'm trying to conceal, so I did add that concealer over those areas as well. I have two tattoos on the side of my face, so I'm concealing those right now with that same concealer. Then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender, and I'm going to blend that thoroughly into my skin, all over the face. I did also put that concealer underneath my eyes because I don't have any dark circles, but it does have a little bit of puffiness under my eyes, so that's why I put some concealer under my eyes in that area. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to be adding that all over my face. And I'm going to be blending it in with my beauty blender. I did prime and lotion my face off camera before I started this video. So now what I'm doing is I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm going to be highlighting my face under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm going to be blending it in with the beauty blender. I like to blend my foundation in with my beauty blender. I don't really use a brush to blend my foundation in, but that's just my preference. It's what I feel comfortable in. I like the coverage that it gets with this way that I use this method. And I am setting my face with my setting powder, those highlighted areas. So now I'm going to be using my brush, and I'm going into that orange shade in my Morphe eyeshadow palette. There's about 2 to 3 shades of orange in this palette, and I did mix them in and apply those colors to my eyes. So because of my skin tone, that orange just really blends in with my skin tone. So by me mixing the 3 colors together, it gave me the look that I was going for, and it made it stand out a little bit more. I don't think I showed myself applying all 3 of those different orange shades, but I did do that, and I probably just cut the clip just to make it a little bit shorter in the video. But that is what I did for this video. Add those 3 different color shades of orange. So now I'm just blending it in on both of my eyes. Just making sure it's fully blended. Now I'm going in with that same Morphe palette. And I'm going to take some of that black eyeshadow. And I'm going to be applying that to my eyes as well. Now I did apply some eyeshadow on this brush as well, and I am going to be adding that to my lid and blending it in. So my last couple of looks on my page has been Halloween looks because I'm just really into Halloween. It really gets me excited. I like to do different fun things, and I wanted to try some different looks on my channel, some different Halloween looks. So that's what I have done so far, and I may continue to do some more Halloween looks before I get back into my regular makeup tutorials that I enjoy doing on my channel, and nails as well here on my channel. So as you can see, I really blended those colors in on both of my eyes, and now I'm taking that same orange shade, one of those orange shades, and I'm just outlining the bottom of my eye. And as you know, whatever we do to one eye, we're going to just repeat on the next. So I'm blending this on my other under eye as well. And then I am going in with my orange eyebrow pencil. And I'm going to be lining my under eye with that orange shade, just to make that color really pop, because it is a different shade of orange, and it really made this color stand out with the eyebrow pencil that I used. It looked really pretty together with that orange eyeshadow. So now I'm going in with that black eyeshadow, and I'm going to be underlining under my eye as well with this black eyeshadow, just to have it match the top. So I just put both colors that I put at the top under my eyes as well. I really want you guys to let me know if you like this makeup look, if you enjoy these Halloween makeup looks that I am doing, because I'm having too much fun with these looks. Just keep on searching up looks that I can do. I did do a fun look with my daughter, the Vampirina Halloween makeup look, so make sure you guys check out that video featuring my daughter. I really enjoyed doing that one with her. That was really fun and different, because I never had her on my channel and did any makeup on her, so that was a new experience. So next I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my brown eyeshadow, my brown eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to be making that shape onto my face. And if you see me looking down, I do have a picture in front of me on my phone, and I keep looking down at the picture as a reference so I can get an idea of how I wanted to draw my lines on my face. So that's why I keep looking down at the picture so I can see. And I am looking straight ahead. I'm not looking into the camera because I have a mirror in front of me. So I'm looking inside of my mirror while I'm drawing. I did draw 2 lines instead of 1 straight line. Just follow the other line down to the corner of my mouth. I like how this came out with one try too. With me, I can really watch something or look at something and learn instantly. Like, I'm really a fast learner. Like with nails, with hair, anything that I watch one time, I can mimic it that within that same 5 minutes and body the style. Like, I'm just a very fast learner. So I'm just making my shape on this side with that same brown eyebrow pencil, just making my guide, making my shape. And I'm just trying to perfect those lines, making that line up, extending that line a little bit. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to be going and I'm going to be using my red liquid lipstick. This is actually liquid lipstick, but I am using that to fill in the shape that I had drew. So I'm using this red liquid lipstick because I didn't want to use the red eyebrow pencil because it would have been too dull. Yeah, you could be able to see it, but those eyebrow pencils are dull and it's not so bright. And I really wanted these lines to stand out because this is like the main part of this look is the makeup part with these lines, the nose and the bold red lips. So that's why I wanted them all to stand out equally. So that's why I decided to use the same shade of red that I'm going to be using on my lips, and I'm using it to define my lines. As you can see, I'm just tracing right over that shape that I created with that brown eyeshadow. I keep saying eyeshadow brush. Excuse me, I meant to say eyebrow pencil. Pennywise did have it going across the eyebrows down, so I wanted to imitate that, so that's why I extended that line over my eyelids as well and bringing that shade all the way down. And as always, I want to thank you guys for tuning into another video or tuning into a video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It is free to subscribe. I hope you are enjoying the content that I am putting out these days. And I hope that you can go to my channel and watch a couple of more videos that I have created. And let me know what you guys think of this look and leave comments on my other looks as well. So like I said, I'm using that same red shade and I'm going to be creating that red nose that Pennywise has. And I'm not filling my nose completely, just more so the tip of my nose. And then after that, I'm going in over my lips with that same red shade. And don't be in the comments that, oh, she used it on her face, and then she used it on her nose, and then she put it on. I sure did. Because you know why? Because it's mine. I'm not using this on any other client. I'm using this on myself. This is my personal product, so I can be very versatile with it if I want to. But if I had a client, I do use my disposable utensils with the products that I use for my clients. So FYI, I am aware and I'm very sanitary with my products, but like I said, I only use this on myself. I did want to add some gloss to my lips because I really like my lips to be really, really shiny and just pop and just stand out. So that's why I added this gloss on top. It really brought out the look. And this is me. I added some lashes. This is the finished product. Now I'm going to show you how I look with the complete look with the orange wig, the lashes. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And here's my other social media platforms you can look me up on. Have a good day. Bye.